Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add flicker in Capcut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's very easy, just follow my steps. You can see that right now I'm on the Capcut application. Now click on the new project. Select the particular video where you want to add the flicker effect. So let me select this video, then click add from the bottom right corner. You can see that the video has been added. Now it's very simple. At the bottom options you can see there are many options. At the fifth option you can see effects. Click on it. Now click video effects from the first place. Now you have to scroll the upper portion like trending opening. Just keep scrolling until you found nightclub. Here it is. And you can see there are many options here. Then you can see black flash. This is the flicker option, or you can use the white flash if you want, or negative flash. There are so many flicker option here which has been used as flash term. Okay, so let me select the black flash. Okay, or you can see another flicker like this one, but I think black flash is the one that you want. Just click it. You can see that the flicker has been added. You can adjust the speed if you want. You can increase it like that. You can decrease it like that. Then click the check mark and you can manage it like increasing or decreasing the size and placing of the video. So like that. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.